Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make a lot of money investing in Bitcoin. In Nigeria, the way investors make profits when buying assets is by Naira cost averaging. Now, Naira cost averaging is an investment technique where investors buy fixed amount of a particular asset in a time interval regardless of the price. That means they buy more when the price of the asset is low and they buy less when the price of the asset is high. But regardless, they buy the same fixed amount in that time interval. In this video, I am going to show you a simple strategy in which you can use to always buy the asset low. Now, to do this, you would have to go to your LUNO exchange. If you don't have a LUNO account already, I will leave a link in the top of this video so you can go there and sign up, and I'll leave a link also in the description of this video. So when you click your LUNO exchange, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Right here is your price chart. This is your Bitcoin price chart. Now, this price chart is gotten from TradingView. TradingView is a social network for traders and investors. When you click on this TradingView, to give you a broader view of the price chart. So I am going to click on this right now. This is how it will look like. TradingView is a free platform. You can sign up for free. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Now let me show you the simple strategy you can use to make a lot of money investing in Bitcoin. Since we are going to be investing in the long term, we would have to use a long-term time frame. We're on the 4-hour currently, but I am going to change it right now. I am going to use the week, the 1 week, since we are looking at a longer time frame. Now this is the 1 week, and as you can see, every candle here is represented by a week. Now the indicator I am going to be using is going to be the exponential moving average. Now you can get this by going to the indicator template, which is here. Click on it, then go to MA exponential ribbon. You click on it. This is the exponential moving average. I am going to show you how you can use this indicator to make a lot of money when investing in Bitcoin. Now let me go back in price so you can see exactly how this indicator is being used. Now let me go back in price. Now this is around 16th of November 2015. As you can see, when the price is above the ribbon, the asset is in a bull trend. A bull trend means the asset is in an uptrend. That means it will continue to go high and higher and higher. So as an investor, you would want to buy low. That means when the price dips to the ribbon, you would want to be buying every single time it dips to the ribbon. When the price goes up and comes to the ribbon, you would buy. So every single time it goes up and comes to the ribbon, you buy. As you can see, goes up, touches the ribbon, you buy. When you use this strategy, every single time the price touches the ribbon, you would make a lot of money. As you can see, the price goes up from this point, goes up, touches the ribbon, then you buy. If you buy low every single time in an uptrend, you are going to be making a lot of money. So if you had been buying from this point every single time it touches the ribbon in an uptrend, you are going to be in a profit when you sell at this top point. Let me give you the price range of where the price went to. Let me go to the price range. Now from this point in which the price broke the ribbon to this top point, you can see from that point to that top point, the price went 6,476%. That means if you had been buying low every single time it touches the ribbon, you would have made a lot of gains. Now this is a lot of gain because Bitcoin is a very volatile asset. That means the momentum it uses to go up in price is the same momentum it will use to go down in price. So as you can see, you would have made a lot on your investment. Your return on investment would have been a lot if you had bought at the lows of this price chart. So with this strategy that I just showed you, you would be able to make a lot of money when you are buying an asset. When you are buying Bitcoin, you'll be able to make a lot of money. So this is going to be it for this video. If you truly enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot and I really appreciate it if you do. Now, if you are serious in learning how to trade, I will leave a link in the description of this video so you can understand how to use TradingView when making your trade. With that said, I will see you in the next video.